Tiny trunk tales. Peanut, Lily, Max today, baking cookies, hip hooray! Clap your hands and sing along. Cookie time is full of fun. Wake up to a sunny day, time to bake and laugh and play. Lily reads the recipe, Max says, "Chef, just follow me." Peanut lifts her trunk up high, ready for a sweet surprise. Flour, butter, sugar, eggs, mix them up with happy legs. 1, 2, 3, let's start the fun. Our cookie day has just begun. Mix it up, mix it round. Best cookie batter can be found. Stir it fast, stir it slow. Watch our yummy cookies grow. Mix it up, hooray, hooray. Cookie magic's on the way. Lily stirs so nice and neat. Max makes batter skip its beat. Peanut spins with trunk so wide. Cookie smiles on every side. Round and round the spoon will go. Happy little bakers glow. Roll the dough and make it flat. What fun shapes are we making at? Lily makes big circles round. Max makes funny shapes he's found. Peanut makes elephants too. Cute little cookies just for you. Mix it up, clap your hands. We're the best baking band. Round and sing today. Cookie fun is here to stay. Mix it up, hooray, hooray. Golden cookies on the way. Into the oven nice and slow. Soon they'll be all warm and glow. Tick, 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 we wait with smiles. Just a little longer while. Ding, 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 they're finally done. Golden cookies for everyone. Icing, sprinkles, stars